If you're a doctor or nurse who wants to learn how to talk to your patients, you'll want to pick up this book, Clear and Simple Medical English in Dialogues. Most of the medical English books are just about vocabulary, but you maybe don't learn how to actually talk to patients. This book will help you do that. There's a variety of situations ranging from someone has maybe a common cold or like a rash or something like that to something far more serious, such as they have cancer or they've torn their ACL or something like that, a serious injury. Not only will you find dialogues and vocabulary related to medical English in this book, but you'll also have an opportunity to put into practice what you've learned. So be sure to pick up this book, Clear and Simple Medical English and Dialogues. You can find it on Amazon or wherever else you like to buy books. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, if you want to support this channel, please be sure to check out membership options.